The required software is linked in the description. Porting operations will be managed using Airtable. Editors can reserve work entries so that only one person can work on each entry. Remember to set status to In Progress when reserving. Completed files can be uploaded directly to Airtable. Any notes related to the entry can be added. The project leader will verify that they work in-game. Import the sprite sheet. Immediately save two versions of this sheet, Run and Attack. Press S to select and delete parts of the sheet that are not needed for their corresponding sequences. This will reduce the chances of picking the wrong frame while working. Using the selection tool S, determine the tile size of the sprite sheet by finding the largest image and measuring it. Pixel amounts are located in the bottom left. Sprites will be ported at their full source sizes and can easily be scaled within openRA. OpenRA tiles are 24 by 24 pixels. 1 by 1 equals 24 by 24, 2 by 2 equals 48 by 48, 3 by 3 equals 72 by 72, and 4 by 4 equals 96 by 96. Create an openSHP document with 72 by 72 pixels. Set frames equal to the number of rows of sprites in the sprite sheet plus 2 times 8, plus 2 for the death animation. For the orc grunt, this is 90 frames. Set the palette to Timerian/temporat.pal. Create a new staging document to paste into 72 by 72 pixels. Add a new layer. Layer contents can be removed by pressing Ctrl-A, then Delete. Layers can be deleted by pressing Ctrl-Shift plus Delete. This staging document will be used for copying the image into openSHP Builder. Select the Magic Wand tool by pressing S 4 times in a row. Use Magic Wand tool at 74% tolerance to select sprites from the sheet. At this tolerance, the entire image should be selectable. Try different points until everything is selected. If some of the image is missing, press S and use Ctrl plus Alt to add to the selection. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the selected pixels. Paste the image into the staging document onto layer 2, then press Enter. Use Object Align Center Both to align the image. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to merge copy pixels from all frames. Paste into openSHP. Advance to the next frame. Return to the Paint.net staging document and press Ctrl-A, then Delete to clear the contents of layer 2. Return to the sprite sheet and Ctrl-Z to get back to the magic wand. Select the next frame and copy, paste into the staging document and press Enter. Use Ctrl plus F to repeat the center command. Ctrl plus Shift plus C and paste into openSHP. As you work, select shadows. If index 0, then use Alt plus A to replace with index 47. Then select the pink background using the eyedropper tool and press Alt plus A to replace with index 0. When you reach frame 6, use the mass frame operations to copy frame 2 through 4 to destination 6. Then use mass frame operations to reverse frames 6 through 8. Finally, use mirror to mirror frames 6 through 8. Continue by copy and pasting the first row and next 4 rows for each direction of the walking sequence. Copy frames 14 through 28 to 34. Reverse 34 through 48. Mirror 34 through 48. Then reverse each 5-frame section to prevent them from playing backwards. 34 through 38, 39 through 43, 44 through 48. Close the run sheet. Do the same for the attack sequences, using the first row and rows 6 through 9. 49 is the first frame for the attack frames. Copy 54 through 68 to frame 74. Right-click and openSHP to deselect. Reverse 74 through 88. Mirror 74 through 88. Finally, reverse each 5-frame section to prevent them from playing backwards. 74 through 78, 79 through 83, 84 through 88. Index 0 is always used for transparency, regardless of its color. Lastly, we will replace the red team color with shades of gold. Use the color selector and select the brightest red, then press Alt+A. Replace red starting with index 176, the brightest gold. Ensure that you check Apply to all frames every time. It will not stay checked. Finally, add the 2 death frames at the end. Delete extra frames, 91+. A full time-lapse of this process follows. Another method for porting assets to openArray is to copy frames at a set size. First, make the background of the sheet pink. Use the fixed size setting of the selection tool to select 32 by 32 sections. Then copy each frame at the same size into a .shp file. Select the pink background replaced with index 0. Save the file as wc2_neutral_sheep.shp. Buildings will need 2 frames. Under construction and built. The standard construction frames are provided by another .shp file. Open the summer orc buildings and measure the orc farm. Create a staging document at a compatible size, multiples of 24. This will likely be 48 by 48, 72 by 72, or 120 by 120. Due to the nature of shadows for Warcraft 2 buildings, you will need to use normal select to select the building pixels. Copy the building image into a .shp. Fix shadows, set pink to 0. You may need to adjust the position of the construction frame to match the build frame. Recolor the tan pixels to non-player colors. This process can be automated using a macro such as JIT-bit macro recorder. Change the red or blue sections to team colors. A selection can be used to affect only the selected area. Save the file as wc2_orc_pigfarm.shp. Icons used for the sidebar are created by copying icons from the game. They will be converted to the layout common to openArray. All icons are available in a single sheet. Create a .shp file as a staging document, 1 frame, 45 by 38. Set the palette to TiberianDawn/temporat.pal. Paste copied icons into the staging document, then press Ctrl+G. openSHP Builder has a cameo generator built into it that makes adding text easy. Set game to TD cameo and add your text, then press OK.